guys, in today's video it will be a Sunday reset, and I normally start on a Friday. I'll go to the grocery store and pick up what the kids need for the upcoming week. And my kids do pack a lunch every day, except on Friday they do have a $5 pizza day, and I do like that the youngest have access to packing his lunch, just teaching him to be more independent. So I do like to go ahead and add certain treats that they pack or snacks up on the counter so he can have access to it. So I try to give them healthy treats, and these are his favorite, and his favorite fruit is banana. So my favorite things these days are flowers, and every time I'm in Publix, they have the most beautiful flowers. Sometimes they don't have the colors I like this time they didn't have anything, so I just took these green ones because I was like, I can do something with these. I don't know, I really didn't love them, but I just don't feel happy unless I have some flowers. And so I do believe in doing things that put smiles on your face, and getting a fresh thing of flowers always make me feel extremely happy. So I went to another Publix because I wanted different flowers. These weren't doing it for me, and I did find some. So now it's time to reset. this was a good time to jump in and tell you about my OCD. I actually clean every day. This is not something I just do on Sundays. I clean every day. And so I just have like little tips just to keep things organized and clean. You just have to keep picking up behind yourself every day. And I literally don't have to pick up behind myself because everything has a place. And so this is just for you guys, but I do this every day. I shake my bed off every day. I make my bed every day. And I clean up every time I do something, whether it's after I cook, after the kids eat, after everyone brushes their teeth. I'm constantly cleaning. It's just in my blood at this point. Thanks to my mom, but I am her twin, for real. The one thing I am not going to do is steam this duvet. Not today.